What is the difference between Christ consciousness energy or Christ consciousness and the I am energy or the I am who I am?
Which path do you desire to take? I am who I am to get to your higher self, to the soul, to God? Or do you wish to take the Christ consciousness path to get to the soul or the higher self? You see, as it is often said, it is a different shade of color. It is a different frequency. It is only perhaps one number of difference away. That is the difference.
So when you say one number away or one, so it's a spectrum of frequencies that you're tapping into. The Christ consciousness energy is of divine love and pure love, or the God love, the higher self love. And the I am who I am presence, or the I am who I am consciousness, is also God's source love, but it's a slightly different frequency because the language that it holds, the meaning that it holds, and the intention that it holds.
Yes. There are many different ways to get to source. You can do it through the Holy Spirit and focus on that. You can get through the I am consciousness. You can go through the Christ consciousness. You can go through Mother Mary. You can take a Jewish path if you desire. You can take Islam if you want. You can take mysticism if you choose. You can sit in a Sangha and practice Buddhism if you like. Do you understand?
You can invoke the Hindu gods and goddesses into your energy field if you like.
Yes, and still get to source. It all depends on your own path.